I've always wondered what are the 10 things women notice on a man. I know that they are more observant, and pay attention to details much more so than men do, but I really wanted to know what is it that they really notice on a man. I've done the research and what I've found may surprise you. 10. Body language. Yes, women study you. They pay attention to how a man carries himself. They notice your attitude, posture, the way you walk, how you act in different situations, how you treat people around you. Your manners and a firm handshake can also fall into this category. All those little things you do, subconsciously show them whether they want to talk to you or not. 9. Confidence. Confidence is very important for a man. If you look at the floor all the time, or you're unable to maintain eye contact, it really says a lot about you. It's no secret that women love confident men, so number 9 shouldn't really come as a surprise. 8. Hair. Your hairstyle is very important. Messy and unkempt hair doesn't really scream sexy. There's no need to spend 45 minutes in front of a mirror to style it, though. Keep it clean and tidy. Rock your desired hairstyle and have no worries, my friend. Just make it look natural, and your sexiness will skyrocket. 7. Scent. Well, your scent can reveal a lot about you. If you smell like you've just finished working out, it says a lot about your hygiene. On the other hand, if you smell nice, it's a huge plus. You don't have to smell amazing to leave a good first impression. Take care of your hygiene, neutralize body odor, a few sprays of your favorite fragrance is all you need to do. 6. Shoes. Women love shoes. Women also love to see nice shoes on a guy. Although, I believe that the condition of your shoes is more important than shoe style, having a nice, clean pair of shoes is definitely a plus. 5. Smile. Oh yes. The way you smile also seems to be very noticeable by the ladies. The way you smile at them, especially. A warm, natural smile combined with healthy white teeth is very sexy according to women. 4. Your sexy ass style. Yup. They notice what you wear, and more importantly, they notice how you wear whatever it is that you're wearing. No need to smash your head against the wall over this one. They don't really care whether you're wearing a sweater or a button-up shirt, just make sure that your clothes fit you properly, are clean and don't look like you keep them in a garage. 3. Hands. Surprised? I sure know I was when a girl told me once that I had pretty hands. I didn't even know it was a thing, but yes. They notice your hands, and they notice everything about them. Size of your palms, size of your fingers, your nails. For some reason, they find this stuff very attractive. 2. Your voice and what you have to say. Deep voices are correlated with high testosterone levels. Testosterone is the stuff that makes you a man. So, it's no surprise that women find a nice deep voice sexy. Do you know what else they find sexy? What you have to say with that sexy ass baritone. If you are an eloquent, deep-voiced gentleman, well, lucky you. 1. Face. Who of us would not like to have the perfect, Brad Pitt face? Unfortunately, not all of us are blessed with perfect facial proportions and a perfect Hollywood smile. But, let me tell you something. It's not about how pretty your face is. It's about how you maintain what God has given you. Develop good grooming habits, keep your skin clean and healthy, maintain your beard if you wear one, eliminate the unibrow, avoid chapped lips and your face will shine. We all want to be recognized and perceived as attractive, and that's perfectly normal. But more often than not we get nervous and tend to miss the most obvious signs. Knowing how to recognize subtle signals that women send your way when they're attracted is a great way to eliminate the fear of approaching and stop wasting so many chances.